More than 1 crore new candidates got added to the workforce last year. And all of us know these numbers are increasing every year. The competition is definitely getting intense with every passing year. And in such a scenario, your technical skills are no longer sufficient to impress the employers. Because everyone who's passing out with you from the college possesses almost the same skill set. If you want to get noticed, exhibit qualities that employers crave to see in their potential new hires. The qualities that make their life easier. The qualities for which they would even happily overlook a slight gap in your skill set. So, what are these qualities? Let's learn. The first quality that really impresses the employers is your initiative and learning agility. Trust me, candidates with this quality are employers' favorite because they don't need to be told every time what is to be done. They are proactive in taking on tasks and they quickly learn new things. Now, the challenge is how to demonstrate this quality as a fresher to the interviewers, especially because you don't have any examples from the corporate life to quote. To do this, be prepared with examples from your academic life itself. You can quote examples of times when you did something for the team in a project without being asked. Highlight any extra courses you did. Show that you researched the company and the role before coming to the interview. You can even ask some smart questions, such as what is the best way to contribute in the role I'm being interviewed for? All of these things put together showcase your initiative and learning agility. The second important quality every employer appreciates in their employee is problem solving ability. See, no one in this world has a solution to every problem. But the people with a logical mind and problem solving ability manage to find one. Employers love such candidates because such situations keep arising every other day in the business. To showcase your problem solving skills, share examples from academic projects, internships, where you actually exhibited this quality. As I just said a while back, no one in this world has a solution to everything. But structured thinking, without getting panicked, takes you to the solution. Your approach is what matters the most here. Show how you redefine the problem, break it down, list your options, evaluate them, and pick up the best one. Being able to think of creative solutions to a problem many times saves a lot of trouble and money. If you have had any instances of such situations, quote them. But all of these things need you to think of them well in advance so that you can include them in your answers. The third quality that makes you employer's favorite is your work ethics. When your work ethics are strong, you're naturally reliable, punctual, and take responsibility seriously. Just imagine which employer in this world would not want to hire such a candidate. The only thing needed is ensure that you communicate these qualities during the interview. Again, the question is how? So, to demonstrate your work ethics, you can use phrases such as I take full responsibility for my tasks. I ensure all my work is accurate and delivered on time. I strive to exceed the expectations, not just meet them. I take feedback very seriously and act on it immediately. But mind you, don't just make claims. Be prepared with some examples when you actually did this. Let's come to quality number 4 now, and it is adaptability. See, this is an ever-evolving word. Right from technology to the work environment, everything is continuously evolving. Adaptable employees make an employer's job easier during the small everyday changes and big transitions, both. Such employees are open to change, new tools, and even different ways of working. You can communicate your adaptability by doing these things. Number 1, share examples of situations where you adjusted quickly to a new system, tool, or method. Show that you pick up new concepts very quickly. You can even talk about times when plans change suddenly or unexpectedly and you adapted. Show how open you are to the feedback and adjust your approach. In fact, an exposure to diverse environments and your ability to sustain is also an example of you being adaptable. Think of all these things well in advance. They'll help you tremendously during the interview. Quality number 5 to impress the interviewers is your communication skills. Communication skills mean your ability to express the ideas clearly, both verbally and in writing. Your ability to read between the lines and listen to what the other person says and also what he doesn't say add to your communication skills. Some of the best ways to showcase your communication skills are: be clear and concise with your answers. Avoid long and confusing sentences. Quote examples from the past at the right time. Show active listening. This is very, very important. Nod, smile, listen to them very carefully without interrupting. Repeat the question in simple words. Avoid jargons and communicate with your body language also. A well-structured resume and professionally written email showcase your communication skills even before you see them for the interview. Spend time on composing them carefully. And the last quality that can take you a long way in the interviews is your emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence means being aware of your own and others' feelings with empathy. And trust me when I say this, you are going to need this quality more than anything else in your life. This is because you would be working with human beings, and emotions are what make them human. Some of the best ways to showcase your emotional intelligence are: number 1, exhibit high level of self-awareness. The best opportunity to do this is while answering the question about your strengths and weaknesses. Someone who has spent time on understanding themselves definitely attracts the employers. Quote some examples where you helped with conflict resolution or empathized with someone. Accept the feedback very gracefully. Stay calm under pressure. If you don't know the answer to a particular question, admit it or try to answer logically. All of these things add up to your emotional intelligence. But as I have been continuously saying, be prepared with some examples to back your claims. Otherwise, they will be just vague sentences offering no help. So friends, I sincerely hope that you found this video helpful. If you need help with crafting answers to unexpected interview questions, this video that is currently showing up on your screen is going to help you tremendously. The link is available in the description box below. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends also. And for more such videos, subscribe to the channel now. I'll see you very soon with a new one. Till then, bye-bye and take care.